Hey, welcome to episode of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Check out these chicken legs. Hey there, how many cameras, Jack? I'm Craig. Tonight we're just doing some 3 chicken legs. We're gonna hit them at the end. I got nothing on right now, just blot them dry with paper towels. We're a Patriots orange habanero hot sauce. Looking forward to trying this. You've seen that we've done a few. We're affiliate with Patriots. First time checking this out. Said when we did the beginning, when we set all the products there, gonna try this on chicken. Definitely gonna sauce these up on the end. And believe it or not, got the Kamado Joe out tonight. Had a lot of complaints or talks about not using that one enough. Last year, we put 3 grills in the rotation here, so kind of had trouble showing everything we wanted to show. I mean, just didn't have enough time to do everything we wanted to do. But this year, Kamado Joe's going to get seen a little bit more. That's how the channel started, doing the Kamado Joe. So got a few new accessories for it, so you're going to see them this year. But looking forward to getting the Kamado Joe fired up, and we'll see you on the grill. All right, so I got the Kamado Joe running pretty hot, right around 400 degrees. I got part of it set up indirectly, and then I left, even though the racks are on the top, I had this side over the fire in case I want to bring some of the chicken over there. And I got one probe ready to go here, just so we can keep an eye on things. And there we go. So like, we'll bring you back here when it gets to be like 100, 120. We'll see, just to see how everything looks. All right, so we just passed 120-ish. It's a little bit higher than that now. Just gonna probably turn them over just to kind of promote some even cooking. Looking nice. And we'll keep it on for a little bit and we'll bring you back as these get a little closer, but boy, they're looking good. All right, we're gonna put some sauce on the bottom of the leg before I turn them over. And this is the Habanero sauce from Patriots. Just wanna get it on. It's actually pretty thin, but I just wanna baste it a little bit. And it's the same color as the chicken, but that's all right. It's gonna be good, I bet. All right, we're gonna bring them back when you flip them over and we'll start basting the other side. All right, when I flip these over and start basting the other side. Boy, they look nice. Skin's feeling nice. So I'm probably not going to show you, but I'm going to do this another 1 or 2 times before we go to pull them off. But we'll bring you back along the way. Or when they're done. All right, so I basted them, I think it was 3 more times since we showed you. And now I just want to get a reading, final reading on here. That's a little low on that one yet. Well, close, 173, it's almost there. This one was reading a little bit higher, and this one probably is the same. Yeah, 180 something. Now I'm getting good readings all over, but I hit the spot before where it's a little bit lower. I'm gonna let it go just another minute. We won't show you, but we're gonna pull them off and then we'll see you on the cutting board. Just wanna make sure that one's the temperature. So see you on the cutting board. As always, cheers. All right, here we are, end of the cook. Did some nice chicken legs on the Kamado Joe. I know a lot of people wanting to see the Kamado Joe again. We started basting this when I hit about 150, so after left it on to about 120, when flipped them over to do some even cooking, got to about 150, I started basting the bottom side, then flipped them back over. But the Patriots orange habanero hot sauce. So I'm looking forward to really trying these. I can't wait, actually. The skin looks great. The basting worked great. I did the backside just once and I did the top side, I think it was 3 or 4 times. I forget which one it was now. But it is a little bit thinner with sauce, so I wanted to make sure I kept getting some sauce and letting it set up on it. So I got the fork and knife out, but I kind of did this in the previous one that we did before with a chicken leg, and just going to pick it up and go at it. So here we are. Forgot my napkin, but boy, that's good. And whoo, Habanero's got some flavor to it and got some heat to it too. That's a good tasting sauce. So I can't wait to try some other things. Like I said, we still got some salsas and other things that we didn't use yet. Can't wait to try them. So hopefully you like what you're seeing. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get notifications, and we'll see you next time.